Molen guys dumelang a ke batla nka nako e telele ne Monday motivation dumelang. I don't have time le lona ke bona le kena start agene ke late. I want to go somewhere. Monday motivation hopefully right le tsile weekend e monate le ntse le tswa dikerekeng ha monate le ntse ntho tsa lona ha monate le bosiu le ntse ntho tsa monate le bosiu le ntse ntho tsa monate ke a dumela le ntse ntho tsa monate ne guys le bosiu le ntse mara bosiu I want am jwetse fela le ntse bosiu I want fela I want fela njwetse le ntse Monica, good morning daddy, good morning Moni, good morning Monica, good morning ke mangapi ke mangena ndi ntumedise ntle bana yele lona wa tsa wa ke na khoko ke tswa ke lapile a ke lapile ke na khoko a ke lapile ke na khoko mara ke neng khoko ngata ke no ya tini fela ke reka khoko ya tini fela because it gets hore ke be writing yana ke lapile ke tswafalo ha di ka mai di mena a ke batle stofo Lucia, our morning pastor. Good morning, Lucia. Now, guys, kitsofa dinena akibato hadika mahi. The only thing you get in your like coffee, black coffee, sometimes leon. Kibotwa, akibato paya. I give back, I give civil pay. I will I'm not interested. I give back to the Twitter pizza. I give back Kikalaguta Dr. Mgadari and our pay. You are getting I just so pay now since Elena. Since Elena nka pekinya I get so pay now. Dube Khotso November Khotso Dube Hayalala good morning Tate Muruti yes haya Liza Peke good morning Ovi Monica are ke robetse ka mangwele bosiu Monica, when I see you in the spiritual rhythm I can see any hangile ka le tule one in the flag ya South Africa I can see it was hanging on the one leg. It was making as if it is South Africa of the leg of the flag. Yeah, I can. Lenze busiu. Lulu, our morning fundi small Lulu. Hope you are good stand on some apostle ndai. Yeah, ndai. Falcom J. Kitabetu bona ndai man. Now our good morning mutuaruna. Good morning now. Kirilente mbusiu. Nenzento ni lente. Guys, look at Kasiana because Katsaba little ne. Kaki swa. Are good morning of you good morning kaki swa. Tube ara. Aha abatle musadi. Aha ubatle musadi. Ara aha ubatle musadi. Kia matla. Kibata nagri kibata nyala step guys. Fapa nanti kiditu manzungaka. Kinse kibata nyala step even lino kese bata high and low. Funucha this team. I go fully polygam. Since na some seliku na sembu swapisa stroke. Matidiso are good morning Tate Muruti. Bunola last saw you. I saw you at KFC. Nelson Mandela was so happy. Then can never make me hate you. They can never make me hate you. Thank you so much, Bunolo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Lena will never hate you. Guys, kima marabata mo ba mamnani marhulu namo. Wani nyana fela kima batla ba mamnani. Kapa mamkulu. Hai na ke tswa fa pay guys. Yo na ke pay swapan kampaka lapa. Yo aka. Like Maban, Busi, I was so hungry. Kaki za di peanuts. Maban, kaki la pile Busi, kaki za di peanuts. Bon, kaki za di peanuts. Ka 1 o'clock, kaki za di peanuts. 1. Go 1 epsuk, kaki za di peanuts. I can just pizza. I will never. Guys, are going to come on motivation today. Are katla this time for stay pumarele lebu. Or are katla this time for stay pumarele lebu. Hey, no problem. No problem. Mars for pan nak batla step guys. I go to Bamak. And you know what? Marcel tonight, man. Hagili funeral in Friday. Ne? Le show no lo are November pela pay hama. Or November pay hama. I never. Your pizza. Never. Your pizza. What's more? Yes, I don't even hadika de mahi. No, I hadikili mahi. I get into the next. I get into. Okay, guys. Can you look at the speed before get a man motivation? Monica, Arikina. Go home, guys. Swapa nakbata tape. Good morning, Novisto. Nancy Howdy. Good morning, Nancy Howdy. Now, guys, go at last tape. Hageli di by King Saturday. One of my friends, this guy, unam follower, how holo TikTok. One follower, how whole. That's my basically beat. So, then ultimately, this lady, I'm with then by Ken, I have copan and release somewhere. Let's no. Kila kadieta ntoto dinketsa stress le dinile kila kadieta tsontso di futuma tsotsele bo metsi a di nduba ntoto advocate Tato nna ke rutehile haholo and you don't like highly educated woman that mruta. I don't have any problem about retailing as long you know your position. I don't have any problem about retailing. As long you know your position. You know, the problem about retailing, not all of them, but some of them, Banahana tuto is everything to us. Can't you know? Tuto is everything to you, but not for me. And tuto respect to I about retailing, but not batwasa ruteam. Batwasa rutehan, they don't respect education. Number 2. But basa be pelinka education, they will never respect education because like I cannot respect education because I can't there and I don't live education. So it will be difficult for me I will respect and honor but no because I keep pelikayo. So I don't have any problem when I advocate. The only thing is it's when that is the problem. You can be educated, you can be highly qualified, what's already positions how so long how fisher Dr. November, you know Dr. November Kimona because Nakimunan Kimon and you know Nakimunna is a route. And the fundanga mara, I'm a man, I'm a leader, I'm a head of the family, and I will be the head. Whether kikopana about routine kapabasa routine no, I don't have any problem. I mean kamushoka mutarutile, rabashoka mutarutile because now we are running lot of things, so we still need it can be a good thing when we kabali partner no and nagita swara department in sena kietse so that will be good. But in the important thing by the positions are not fitla malapin. Massive michatwen, we need to know the positions are not okay. Much sebetante ki advocate maraki kanaka kum ki mosadi wa Dr. November. Len haji likireke kwa ki Pastor November maraki kanaka kum otanto kids ibori. I'm a husband to Tato, a father to our kids. The simple. Wabon. So that is the only thing when I tap. Like when Rika Malapin, Otonsu Tiboroke, I can lapin like a kia who husband, and then I give court to I give magistrate, ke ya ho Dr. November, ke ya ho monnaka. Then simple and matlik. Life e batla jwalo, e batla re balance. Le nna ke tloa kereke, I need to know that or ke tla ho mosadi wa ka le baneng ba rona. That's all. The position re tla di bona stratong kwana le mesebetsing ya rona. Guys, Monday motivation. Okay, ne ke re ka le qoqela ka speed ya. So this guy, this friend of mine, o tsamaya le this lady ya motla. Ya re ba batla man. Yes, the lady motla. So a re fihla friend ena ka ena o kalama di bike re bike ka ofela but una mfollow haholo wa mfollow haholo. So this guy o re honna the lady wa this guy o re yo Novi ha ka bona motho na nsukudisa jwang hey be na nsukudisa ke na nsukudisa a re ne re lwana a re dateile 4 years na le ena 4 years ena ke ngadile ha 20 the guy o ra o maka o ngadile 21 a re oh ibile ntse sa opol this guy re o ngadile 21 times. So now this guy, the lady or jale ke ba botsa ke re are you ntse le lwana rona re sa lwana ke re le thuswe keng why le sa hlale le lwana rona motho wa ka kanti ola lo ngwentsa batla step. So ke I to realize or one cheater and then there was this lady a cheatang ka yena, so we had to sit down with that lady and then re dumelane. Hey guys, ke ne ke le jealous. Yo guys, luna le na step ke ntho sa batho ba sa hlapang. Yes, if ne le shebile that lady suka matota the lady was beautiful. This guy why the guy ba pere di shorts ba le babedi hi. So this lady o rona Pastor November nna ke le ba ka dumela motho wa ka re renke motho a re es re bua tsena motho wa ka o ntho a re motho wa ka no as we speak mamncane wa rona re a bua re a qoqa we are happy a re ibile re ntse WhatsApp group le mamncane ke runa bana mpontsha di WhatsApp group tsa bona mpontsha sometimes yena le mamncane ba tina together ba apara ka o tshwana ba etsa things together bana le group ya bona ba le bararo ba qoqa group nya ba. I was so excited great mare batho ba bang ba etsa life be easy le fatshe mona guys tlo ke se ka senya nako man se bile ke buile nako e telele but in short wa tsaba ntho ke ne ke re ke tlo bua ka ona guys ke hore ke thutile hore life ina le decide tse ngata haholo. Life you've got ina le decide tse ngata haholo, but ke tlo bua ka decide tse two. Ke tlo bua ka the good side and the bad side tsa life. Ke thutile hore life ina le decide tse ina le two sides as much di le ngata, but I've learned that hore ke kopa ke bua ka only two sides of life. Life ya side ya pele ke agree a good life, renale a bad life, renale side le good, renale le bad, re a positive side and the negative side la di bona ntho tseng. Then ha re qetile be re ba le hona le ntho batho ba sa tsoteleng ya hore life ina le side leo e leng heavy ho lona. O told ba this side le side le na le heavy and learning le easy. Hona le side as much hona le side life ina le kapa le fatsi le na le di side tse different. Rena le side le heavy, rena le side le difficult. You know, one of the things ke thutileng yona kore kana ko tse dintho re struggle e re etsa re suffer re be miserable sinzinyelwe ke hore wena o potile le fatsi in which side le fatse la o le potile kae because ke re holona a kre ke re le fatse le na le na maqala mabini le na le mahlakura mabedi there's heavy side mo ho limbima teng and then ho ba le side le na le leng easy teng and ke tsebe re ntho e tlo buang e tlo etsa sense mara I hope it has a sense. I will try or it science. Now, I've learned something where come on mo holding heavy cutting. Most about le fatse le leng heavy in their side. Ke bana banang le melao e mengata. Abantu abazibekela imithetho emininzi. Most abantu bayiphethe melao e mengata. Most abantu ba nang le principle tse ngata, but ba strict, but ba sa compromising. Those people, guys, most of those people, but ba jwalo ba sokola. I've learned that they are sokola. But that is why I had to make a decision now. I need to be flexible. Some of the things ki try to loosen up because I was that person. Yanengali very strict ka everything. Kenali the principle, kenali the in. But those things they did not work for me. They did not work for me. Because I've learned something. Le fatse le na le hlakuri le heavy. And huna le hlakuri le heavy elinzima le fatimon when o pota le hlakuring leo automatically auto email le fatse le na le two sides, guys. Ki itse ke kopa o bua ka two sides, not the positive and the negative, no, but ki bua ka the heavy side and the light side. Because ki ithutile something where you know why ke huna le the heavy side. It is because o tla bona dintho tsena tse runa di leng heavy ho runa. Hona le batho ba bang bao ising heavy for them. Number two, dintho tsena tse di leng difficult for us. There are people ba phelang ka tsona. They don't haba utlwi le worry. They don't even feel the weight, or they don't feel anything. I'm telling you, guys, I've learned that le fatse le na le two sides. I'm telling you, le na le two sides. Le na le the heavy side and simple life. Una le just a light kapa simple side la bophelo. But runa ka bruna the decision is already ka re entse qeto, guys. I've learned that re entse qeto ya o pota le side le na le heavy. Upper sis bekele mithetho man mo re ipetse melao teng. Now will never do this. Now will never accept this. Now will never. That thing, guys, I've learned something. But bana ba sokolang, because I'm saying this from experience. Bonka bantu ba sokolay. Most about ba sokolang ke batho ba potileng le fatsing on the heavy side. Abantu abajikela umhlaba ba potileng life ibile sing le fatsi ke life finally a heavy side and the light side, kore simple side. But ke ithutile runa reporter ka mona ka mo holding heavy life reporter ka mo holding heavy. And what's ba ke ka mo holding heavy? I have an experience of being in a polygamous relationship for 2 years. We also used to have a group chat. We shared the same bed, more than with the same clothes. We did everything together. Wow. But it ended in tears. How jealous got in the way. Basadi abaratani. It started well, but it's in tears. I think retatla re bua ka yona koketso. I think retatla bua ka yona ibile kare nkabe ke bua le wena. I think it tlo kopa umphe di number tsa kapa ko fe di number tsa ka re tlo bua ka yona. La re ke ra bua ka phone ka yona life in tsaka re tlo bua ka yona, because le yona yona ke a tseba. Because you know we cannot re ke polygamy dangerous, because on a lady relationship rena le batho ba tswa manyalong le tsona di endile with tears. Le tsona di endile in tears. Relationship di end in tears. Mojolo o end in tears wena koketso. So it is not like tabakist kiss tepuka ke eng. No, I think the only thing but for now it won't guys, entertain, because we cannot do kiss tape no, there is nothing wrong. because check on ha re so nyale di tape mara ke tsena di relationship tsa rona le manyalo a rona a monogamy lenyalo la ka manyalo aka there was no polygamy mara fedile in tears le ma le di relationship tsa lona guys di fedile in tears di a tswana ntse so re tla bua ka tsona so guys ke batla tla ntwe yena hore the take it to them life in a two sides and the heavy side and the simple side and runa re choose and I have born I cannot do this, I will never do this, I will never I don't compromise, I don't take nonsense but ke le jwetse guys shebamba to babang dintho tsena kaofela tse rona re decide gore di re frustrate batho ba bang ba phela ka tsona 24 hours ke kopa operate ke re dintho tse rona dealing difficult to us, dealing heavy, dealing esingakwazi uzenza dintho tsena tse re sa kgoneng tse re rena we cannot radiate ona le batho ba phelang ka tsona full time ha bana bothata. Why? Because you choose as a person or wena bophelo ba o batla bolata in which side you choose. So ke batla gore guys in short, for instance, I think example. Let's go for a example. Kayona to a polygamy ntse ke bua ka yona. When rate example, hona le batho ba tlo jwetsa gore yo polygamy ka se yetse nna. Ne? Then hona le batho ba yetsa. Hona le batho ba tlo bolela gore nna cheating ka se yetse, but hona le batho ba cheatang. Hona le batho ba tlo jwetsa gore yo nna cannot stand for monna ya cheatang. But hona le basadi ba kgona ba phelang le banna ba cheatang daily and they don't have any problem. Ba ka ramanyalo a bona. Hona le banna ba phetseng le hona le di cheater tsa banna mara ba nyetse hona le basadi ba ka ramanyalo tla o jwetsa re yo monna ka ke sefebehle monna ka rata basadi mara ka ra lenyalo o dula le the same man and has a problem then o ba le monna ya ka o jwetsa re yo nna mosadi wa ka o kile a ncheata okay wa ncheat mfa zwam and then very divorce wa bona o ile a ncheata hona le banna ba tla o jwetsa re yo nna ba ka mosadi ile a etsa so very divorce but hona le motho a tla o jwetsa re nna mosadi wa ka o ile a ncheata and then kile ka mo forgive and then we are still together. So I will say I've learned something more. Life is all about the choices and the choice tsa rona di tlo etswa ko wena life we porta in which angle we hlaha kae on the heavy side or on the lighter side, because I'm telling you guys, most about to be depressed. Or not just negele salunu maban kilo etsa manala ne negele salunu maban late I get so kereke kilo etsa manala ne so hatata so this lady wa nqoqela a ntse a nketsa manala wa njwetsa hore unanyes ariyo pastor kili Zimbabwe the lady wating I was married to this guy he was a nice guy a good guy but ke amotso jole lenyalo la o le fediswe ke a rona lenyalo la ka le fediswe gore this guy will cheat will a etsa ngwana ka ntle so ke mo divorce. Now something came to my mind hore tsamoesha ba basadi ba bangata ba nyetseng ba bang ba bona abanye ba faze ba semtshateng abanye ba chatile ba divorcitse I mean ba bang o tlo thola gore ba nyetse monna wa yo o yentse bana ba babedi hona le basadi ba tlobolela gore nna monna ka o yentse bana ba ithu mara I'm still in this marriage ke ntse ke nyetse ntse ke dutse ka ra lenyalo laka mara hona le ya baleileng lenyalo ka baka la cheating aba rona nna ke tlwela lenyalo la ka baka la cheating ona le batho ba baleang motho ba rona nna I cannot wait I cannot stand for cheating, I cannot stand for monna ya cheating, I cannot stand for mosadi ya jwang but ha o wa sheba hona le batho ba phelang the situation in tse jwalo and ba sharp hona le mosadi as we speak hona le mosadi ya tswileng lenyalong because I feel hore yena ka se emele ntho e jwalo ya cheating mara hona le mosadi ya ka ra cheating o ntsa phela ka ra lenyalo la hae bophelo ba bontse bo tswela pele ke na le friend engwe hape ya tsamang ka di bike emo mosadi wa yona le frustrated ke hore monna hae wa cheat the lady was very frustrated hore monna hae wa cheat mara hona le emo hona mona di bikeng tsa rona mosadi wa hae ibile o rata ha monna wa hae a le miserable mosadi wa tla utlwa re o rata ro monna hae khaditso au o tla utlwa re o monna wa hae a re baby the way o leng lonely ka teng o leng quite ka teng ile gore mmabo o go kwatisitse o mphe di number tsa mmabo wa itse ha re mmabo o bua ka mang o bua ka girlfriend ya monna are o bolela monna re monna baby ai man ke o le set are o set man why o le set ya kapa mmabo go kwatisitse o mphe di number tsa gagwe ke tla mo khalimela ke mosadi o bua ntwe o bolela monna re mmabo a ska go dira yalo and how ba sheba as we speak the guy monna o rekile a new Mercedes Benz. They've got a beautiful house ntlo kholo and ba phela hantle the guy wa cheater and then mosadi wa teng hana bothata bilo bitsa the girlfriend mara ba tseba but wa suspecta wa bona re monna wa cheater o mo bitsa the girlfriend ya monna mmabare mmabo ke bona o le tense man o le set man ile gore mmabo go kwatisitse now hona mona di group hona le mosadi o mo monna hae wa cheater then that lady wa hlanya o ya phambana nje wa hlanya now ha ke sheba this situation ke re mara wa tsaba ke le jetse I think there is nothing wrong ka dintho tse di re etsahalang there is nothing Oreng novi dumela lenyalo ha wa mamelwa but not for nonsense and disrespect and motho okay ka cheating partner le ena wa cheat askala tshojalo wa bona ke yona nthe ke bulelang o lebeletse ke yona nthe ke bulelang hore runa batho bana ba decide gore life reporter on the heavy side when batho ba bang ba porta on the lighter side moling banka life is easy runa batho ba tshwana le wena re nka gore batho just because wena o na le dintho tso sa di khoni you think gore ka o fela batho ba di khoni that is the problem ya rona that is the problem wa bona di tsenye ke hlalosa it is ke yona intense ke ruta kana gore the problem ya rona re choose gore re batla o lata reporta kai life reporta le site le heavy kapa le simple then ha batho ba ba motho a decide le rena o pota life o ipota on the simple side o ipota ka simple le site le simple then we don't understand re tla re nyatsa bana ba re nyatsa bana ba ntho ba strong bona ba strong for the challenges re ba nyatsa o tlona jwale ntho re o lebeletse a re no una le batho ka skema yana ka skemele mameli and nonsense and disrespect o motho o cheater na a cheating partner a re motho amamelang a cheating partner it is because le yana wa cheater there is no such I win net usaka it just that ona le batho ba decide le ngore bona dintho tsena tse dealing heavy dealing difficult batho ba bang ba decide hona le batho ba decide le ngore bona dintho tsena ba sa hlola ba di etsa hore di be heavy for them and hona le batho ba decide le wa tswa go tshwetsa bana ga tsedi aka le nna I had so many things ene ke di street ka tsela e difficult I had so many things ene ke di treat ka difficult approach everything I was so much ke ne ke ntongwe le ngwe it was heavy for nna until ke change dintho tse itseng ka nna ke qadile ho ba peaceful ka moraro ke change dintho tse itseng ka nna a ke a change dintho tseo but ke changeile nna I had to change nna hore dintho tse ding ke di approach jwang dintho tse ding ke di handle jwang I had to change nna I did not wait those things to change because lefatshe mona there are things tse ka skeng tsa change, and for you o be right lefatshe mona there are things o tshwantseng o di change ka wena. Guys, a re se ra bua maka re no batho ba mamelang cheating, it is because le bana ba cheat. No, it is because hona le batho ba bang ba decidileng gore okay nna situation sena ke tlo se handle so re a change batho ba bang ba change the strategy, batho ba bang ba change the approach, but for ba change the approach or we approach a one problem and we approach a one challenges in batho ba bang ba cheat, and batho ba bang ba try ho tla le di solutions that tlisang peace maphelong a bona. And some of those solutions I said it is not like o tshwantse lo cheater for you re be le solution. Ke kopa example kan I know some of you le ka se dumele ntho wa bona na jona banna ba feba and ke a tseba le ka se dumele. I will tell you nna ke se febe nna ke a tseba batho ba ngata ba dumele ke dula ke le one. Guys, nka feba ntho ngwe hlotseng ka rantlwana ke dula ke le one nka feba ka tsela ngwe hlotseng, but ke entse choice nna ya hore nna nka se dule ntse ke matha ke a udimo le tlatsgale ke feba. I had to make a choice or nkampa ka dula ka ke le one. Most of my time ke dula ke le one ka ntlong ke spenda nako ka ke le one. Ha o no mpona ke tshintsha basadi mona, ha o no mpona ho tla basadi. If ne ke le monna o mong nkabe ke tshintsha basadi, nkabe ke na le mosadi ya mphelang, nkabe ke na le basadi ba etsang dijo, nkabe ke ba tshintsha. But I make a choice ya hore November o batla o phela jwang, then ke decide gore ke batla o phela bophelo ba ka so. So guys, ke batla gore ntho tlo re shapang ke ntho ena hore we forget or life ina le two sides, ina le side le heavy, ina le side le simple. You can decide to wena life o batla o ipota kae, le side le heavy. And ntho ke tshabang ke yona ena hore qetelong ya qetelo when re se re image se sinzinyelo really miserable ka baka la dintho tse o re ipetseng tsona, di decisions tse o re di nkileng le wena o decidile o phela life ya hao in ka le site le heavy. Then how did re disappoint, then batho ba bang ba gona go survive ka dintho tse o runa re sa di kgoneng. Then runa re no there is something wrong about ba forgetting what life is a choice. Hona le batho ba choositseng gore a ke etse example. Let's make an example ka cheating. Hona le basadi ba tla bolela gore I've been fighting le monna wa ka for cheating, ke be ke divorce. Mar hona le mosadi ya tla bolela gore I've been fighting le monna wa ka cheating until ke bona gore no, I'm just wasting my time, then ke mo tlwele. I saw something mo video mo TikTok. Ke tlo bontsha something, and this thing ke tlo bua powerful. I saw something. Mosadi o tshwere phone ya monna, o ntsa scrolla mo phone ba robetse, monna wa roba wa gona gore o lele. So mosadi o ntsa sheba phone ya monna a balla, mosadi a ntsa lla he monna wa tsoa o sheba phone, o fumana gore mosadi o tshwere phone, monna wa a ba ithoballa. So ba ngotse mo nore ba ngotseng ento ba ngotseng na investigator suspect yona robetse ka re ba ngotse ntho jwalo sort of ntho jwalo investigator yona investigator but suspect yona robetse. So now batho ba bang ba kena mo ba ke checka di comments, ba bang ba re ha ba comment mo ba re nna ke ne ke etsa ntho, but I had to stop for the sake ya peace ya lenyalo la ka. Motho mo ngare nna ne ke rata o sheba phone ya monna wa ka, le nna ne ke rata o checka phone ya monna wa ka. Ka pa ba itse ntho ba itse ke ma le CID ka pa a ke tsebe investigator man, investigator in investigator suspect yona e robetse, and a suspect ka e robetse. So the comments mo hona le ba re haida na this lady yentse right, ba bang ba re runa re yentse ne re etsa ntho, but we had to stop because that thing in frustrate and in utswa peace ya rona. Now e bontsha hore but you make a choice, and the choice na tse re di etsang ke tsona tseo re tlo tholang di-consequence tsa teng. Example, ba bang ba etsa ba be ba lla ntho o checka difounu tsa bona, mara ba bang ba decide gore no nna ke tlo checka phone ya monna wa ka. And it is not like ha sa check phone ya monna wa hae, it is because lena wa fela. That's nnete guys. It's just that batho ba choositse gore bona ba batla o pota life le sighting le easy kapa le difficult. So in short, this Monday motivation guys, ke tlo re lona, let us sit down and check gore wena le fatshe life we approach in which angle le sighting le heavy, because when you portal sighting o yetsa dintho tse heavy, o yetsa o batla o yetsa life be heavy for you, it will be heavy and o tla ba miserable and very frustrated. But batho ba bang ba decide le o portale hlakore lena ho simplify life tsa bona, ho simplify life tsa bona. My first ex-wife, on seno na sena bothata ke nna ile nga mosinya ngwana batho somewhere somehow. My first ex-wife ene ka re ha ke tsamaya le bagotsi baka re mojwe ke mojwetsa ke baby ke tlo ya somewhere le bagotsi baka, ha ke tsamaya mosadi wa ka na ngweletsa o na mpitsa Andries le betso nka di condom, mosadi wa ka na mpha di condom, nna mosadi wa ka na mpha di condom, re tshwara di condom. It's just that ngwana batho ya neng a lokile ke ne ke mosenyi. But I want to emphasize this thing ya gore guys, lefatshe le na le mahlakore a mabedi, le na le lehlakore le boima, le na le lehlakore le bobebo. Ko wena tlo decide gore batla o pota le lehlakoreng lefe, le boima kapa le bobebo. And ko wena tla decide gore batla o phela bophelo ba hao jwang, because today re imetswe, we are miserable, and dintho tsohle tseo di re imetseng ho na le batho ba phelang ka tsona, ho na le batho ba phelang ka ra tsona, mara di sa ba etsa nix, because bona ba potile le sighting lena leo ho leng easy le simplify life. So lona ba dutseng ka melao e thata, ba ipetse melao ba etsang eng. You know, one of the things na e ke hlolang ke jwetsa batho ke I will enjoy, ke tla dula ke le mopholoso ke le moruti, it is because boruti baka ha ke bophile ka tsela difficult. Hana le baruti ba phelang bophelo bo difficult, ba dile ba pere di sharp nose, ba ntsinyelwe, ba pere di baki tse matso a matelele. Nna I'm a biker, ke itsamela le bagotsi baka, ke itshilela, ke itsamela le bagotsi baka re ikele all over, because I chose that life. Ke choositse gore boruti baka ke bophele on this site e simple. Now le life e jwalo re choose gore bana rona re batla go phela lehlakoreng lefe, but ke kopa o shebe choice ya hao ke yone tlo safarisa kapa ke yone tlo etsa gore be right. You need to make that. I'm closing. Choice ya hao ke yone tlo etsa, it's either you're going to be happy or you're going to be frustrated, but you must remember, or your frustration it causes a choice ya, and then your happiness it will cause a choice ya. The choices are runa ke tsona tse etsang gore it's either when you enjoy life kapa miserable. I'm telling you guys, because example, a practical example, I'm a pastor, ke choositse go ba a simple pastor. I chose to be a simple pastor. If next I choose to be a simple pastor, ngabe ke se biker, ngabe ke sa tsamaya di bikera, ngabe ke sa enjoy life. I enjoy bophelo baka to the fullest. Ha ke tsamaya le batho ba di bike, we enjoy, re relax, re qoqa ka basadi, re qoqa ka di cherry, re qoqa ka eng. Because I chose that life because I wanted to live a good life. Because you can imagine if neki kota ka bo Matthew le ka bo Toto Noma every day. So ke choose it o phela simple life so that ke kgone etsa ho enjoy bophelo ba ka lefatsheng. I chose that life so that I must be able to enjoy my life. That doesn't mean re tshwantse re etse dintho tse wrong, re tshwantse re ska ra khathalla re etseng, but ntego le ke batla go yona ke let us be careful or life in a two sides, in a lehlakore le boima le lehlakore le simple. Ko wena fela ka decide gore wena o batla go choose lefe, ko wena fela. that is why ke yentseng the example ka bo cheating gore hona le batho ba cheatetsweng mara ba ntse ba le ka ra manyalo because o choositse go dula ka ra lenyalo la o choositse go change strategy o choositse to make sure that lenyalo la hae le a survive but hona le batho ba choositseng gore manyalo a bona a tshwatle ke cheating so we choose re le batho re a choose re batla eng so ne ke re fela be careful gore ntho e choosang it's either ke le tlo safarisa kapa ke le tlo yetsa nyepe so make sure that when you make a decision skala tsa decision ka skala choosang dintho ka bakala la fear not fear ka baka la batho man ke betjwa se la letsa di decision ka baka la batho or no just because batho ba bona ba re ntwe se bona ba ka se dumele therefore le wena o ka se dumele just because batho ba tlo judge therefore le wena o ska ba yetsa ntwe example ya o qetela hape hona le motho a tla o jwetsa hore yena polygamy ka se yetse but hona le batho ba yetsa hona le batho ba kene ka ra polygamy hona le motho a tla o jwetsa hore ai nna ka se ratang le banna ba batho mara hona le batho ba yetsa baratana le banna ba batho so life is a decision it's you decide to ke into o sebeletsang and then o dula o yona but ke re hlokomelang gore di choice re di etsang ke tsona tse re safarisang and guys nna mantswa ka o qeteng nna ke choose ntho e mphang khotso every time I make sure that ke choose ntho that give me peace I get no choose ntho e re ha ke qeta o choose a qetile be ke le miserable I will never do that I'm not going to choose something. Miserable. I will never do that. I will never. That is the difference between that. I will never. When I'm about to choose in life, but miserable. When I'm about to choosing divorce, or choose divorce, but miserable. Today, you don't have anyone you don't have somebody supporting you. But your choice, your safaris. Your choice, you choose to resign. How petilo was safara? How petilo was safara? You choose to talk petilo was safara. Resign. I decide to resign. Choose to resign. Then I'm frustrated or miserable. So the choices are wrong. Sometimes it's all about maturity and depend on more a lot of challenges. Then you learn to accept some of the things and choose peace over some of the things. Thank you, Tebogo. And when you make that choice, you don't make choice because like John, when we not cheating, it is not like now because we are not cheat. It is because you choose between peace and the fight it's in a thing. So when we not choose peace, it is not like we are not favor the munna. I think need into you guys. Hasn't need. Re-enter the choice. Una le batho ba tswile manyalo. Shaba choice ya o yentse. E o sebeletsa kae. Una le batho ba tswile mesebetsi. Shaba choice ya. You make a choice, you enter decision, you enter choice. But are shebe di choice tsa rona di re etsang. Una le batho ba tswile manyalo, una le batho ba tswile relationship. Una le batho ba tswile mesebetsi, una le batho ba ngadileng mesebetsi, una le batho ba ngadileng. But one of the dangerous thing ke the choice tsa rona. Tse di tsa tsona. The entire life you may behave. So when you want to make when you want to live sit down ushebore upotable le bophelo kae le site live because life yona in a site tse pedi simple and heavy hona le ntho tse simple le fatsimona batho ba bang ba di etsa hore di behave hona le dintho tse heavy mara batho ba bang ba di etsa di be simple tse heavy tse dangerous mara batho ba bang ba decide hore ba tlo di etsa hore di be simple. So life is a choice because when only a heavy side at least only a lighter side ko wena o tlo decide hore wena o batla o phela jwang. I'm telling you guys, thank you so much. I'm done. Se ke buile nako e telele re tla kopana ka 6 o'clock ho ha o molahle ke eng le sete di reminder sa bana show ya ne ya manyalo le di relationship ha mo lahle ke eng re tla kopana mono ha re bua ka manyalo le ka di relationship. But nna guys ke a le kopa, sit down and make a good choice. Shaba bophelo shaba, because totaleng ya qata there is ha ona molemo to make the decision, but how to choose how to choose side lo, how to choose life, then the same life you choose, you be frustrated, you be miserable. Many people are miserable today because of their choice. They made great point. Thank you so much, Pastor Jackson. Thank you so much. Now, many people are miserable today because of their choices. What happened to Ereshapa? Renka rieta the choice based my kutlo about baba and based the choices about baba. Let me make example again. Let's make an example again. Kachiti. Let's make an example. Kachiti. Utolor just because Batu Baribona they will never stand for Munachita. Now Luena, sorry, no Lin. Lin, I will never stand for Munachita. No. Just because Batu Baite, you bona, just because Sunalaba Sadibarin, you're cheating, you're cheating in nonsense, I will never stand for Munachita. Luen, you make a decision, you make a choice based. The choice is about Baba. You make choice based my good about Baba because of the feelings about Baba. Just because about Baba, they will never stand for that. And about all sometimes when you maybe unale ability. You but you can't even exercise your ability. How so exercise ability how? Because you say choice kabakala, the choice about baba. But yo polygamy ki depression yo luana so it's a decision. Hi, lena polygamy I can be right. How so I try? How so it's to but to solve like your polygamy is stress. When I about to blend show linyalo ki stress. How mobota why? You kala kuta about babua, you be a night and says choice. Ya ringasu koleki bata linyalo in. Reata the choice based the choice about baba. And I to liberate the choice based my kutong about baba and the feelings it's about baba or bonaba feel so. Come to it. Then Luana automatically to feel jolly. That is why I can't about. We make choices according to the feelings about Baba. Lead the choice about Baba. We follow the choices about Baba. We follow the feelings about Baba. Motabarujo. I will never ngasi dumeli ngasi mameli nonsense ya cheating luena so no ngasi mameli cheating lina ngasi mameli nonsense he ba to di tlatla hle lefatse mo. But I've learned something already. A follower will always follow the decisions about to do the choice about you and abantu follow the choice about. And sometimes you tell her you are even more capable. You've got the ability of leading to them, but you can't even exercise your ability because already also decide or no, but Barry Bonabagasi it's into song and then McG abata Bloemfontein katatleleng. When McG alit in Bloemfontein not bitweki batu card. And then McG about there's a pastor here in Bloemfontein by the name of Pastor November. And Marwai but was a Murati that guy. But Batula Kaufe. And about one saber. There was no one ailing now I love November. You know why? But Basari, there was no one, even one, who said, now I love November. All of them, including Liba Tuban Ratan, people who were there, but they couldn't say, nah, I love November. You know why? Because already, but people who don't like me, already by labor tool, because they don't like me. Now, Leban Rata, they followed the choice about tool until one lady, Eke Motsebang, Eneke Morapella, Atsamaile, Unaile bo China Kapakai, Abawa, Keneke Motseba, it was a close person, Hunna, Kemotseba, I know him, Una Sebeleta, former station manager, Samuel FM. Really closely, that lady, Kimurata Kapila, Kirata le Mama High. The lady about Emma Barre, no, but they don't like Pastor November because the lady about Palma Barre, no, people they don't like Pastor November because what he's doing. About motor, about the Mejiba motor, the Pastor November, we are saying about is a fake pastor. Fake pastor. The lady said that, Kara, podcast, no, because November is a fake pastor. There was no one who said, no, Pastor November Kamurata. There was no one who said, Pastor November Kamutiba. There was no one. All of them, but one about Kara podcast here, Yamejika by Tulen. I've learned that we are following the choice. Because if we know about one rata, why Husaka Habali Mutai Wanabar? I love Pastor November. Mary, because already Banaba follow about Pastor Ratin, they follow those people. So I will say, the choice. Kabakalama ikutabatu, riata the choice, kabakala the choice tabatu baba. We are follow the choice tabatu baba. Some of you, it is not like you can't stand for cheating. Just because but choose they will never stand for cheating. Luana sor hailena, I will never stand for cheating. Ngasi emele monna ya cheating. Ndangasi for polygamy. But about you no polygamy it's a nonsense. Luana, hailena polygamy ngasi khoni. Everything about Bali negative kayon. Lirunar negative. You know why? Because we are followers. We are follower. We don't have backbone. Harina next haritimo is the choice. Taruna haritimo is the decision. Tarun. Because the reason why is the choice. Tarun. It is because we don't have backbone. To me, forget. Why am I still waiting for you to come and take me for being mom for number 2? To mumu fuke. Thank you guys. I love you. Oh, but bantena le fati. But to follow one the decisions about to. They make the decisions according to people. But why it's the choice? Please repent the cheating and polygamy. Oh, padile tapel. Oh, but tapelo lunache. Oh, I want my man. I want next weekend. I want to rena. Yo tapel. Tapelo shake libe busy. Kere keni maubani. Yo tapel. One depressed. Na le stress runa runa le mathata ke mang di tshwantse re lo checka dinto re lo mamela re lo etsa di rena le meeting runa today tapelo hle so guys I'm done modimo le bless ale boloke life in al masaita mabedi ko no tlo decide gore o batla etsa life ya be simple ka pa be difficult simple and matle and guys when ke bua ka o etsa life be simple I'm not saying by doing bad things I am not saying that. What in atapelo? What in? Runal matata runam titape. Hawana lirum. Guys, when you make a good simplify your life, I'm not saying it's a nonsense. So it's a pelo right. Like on a now, Ketamali the biker. I'm on the bike. I love biking. Marta doesn't mean kids. I didn't talk to the biking more. No. I am not saying it's ending totally wrong. Choose out yet I didn't totally wrong. Choose and bad care. Hona leading totally simple. Marta right. Take out our life I be simple. mardili right. Yeah? Uta fel, hona li dintho tse simple and easy and matlek and enjoyable. Mari, they're right. Simple. Like Sheba, hona li utolori like muhumon, kena li baby mama ne. Utolori hona li musadi mwata yotar namunaka. I get to mind, I get to about baby mama, case example. Mututa Jotara, I don't mind to baby mama. About phonele baby, and Mama Tepo, Kikupa Rekelum Kibata Rekelam one. What's one about my son life? Should be easy, country. Hey, guys, about my son life should be simple. I remember when this lady, and I came to so 9 years. Monana Alabama by 3. That lady, ona tsama ka kolo ya hae alate bana aloba lata di baby mama ntsa bona abatsama lo ba rekela ha qetile ba ba khutlisa, and the lady was highly successful but na khona nka koloi alate di baby mama bana ba di baby mama tse 3 ha qetile ba ba kenya ka koleng abanka bana ba e 2 ba kenya koleng ba le 5 abalo ba rekela ba etsa but na le motho ka o jetsa ha nna ga se buile baby mama bila ke batlo bona baby mama ya monnaka ha ke batlo bua, and then emong o tla o jetsa are emong sharp Ramotlaladi, thank you so much doc. Hona le motho ka o jetsa are nna ke bone emong tla o jetsa re nna re a bua le ntho le di baby mama tsa bana baka re a bua straight lona ke hey now we'll never na ka se buile baby next ka se buile baby mama ya monna ka eng ke re yo Onka Matshepo kena le ena re ba yetsa ntho hona le batho ba yetsa life be easy hleng khubai yo hona le batho ba yetsa life be easy ba ipota ka mo ileng easy ka teng. Hona le batho ba ipotang, hona le batho ba bang miserable batla yes sona le batho ba yetsa life be miserable kopa tsama hlebile kopa qetelo alola ke clean ha qetile ke tsama ke attend le meeting tse 2 kilo pesa le bike ya ka ihlabue, and then I love you, make your life easy, choose to make things easy. Choose into the easy. Re ba depressed every time. Are ba miserable and depressed every time. Success. Oh, Jesus. Mwah. Har ko panenka 6 o'clock. Vandaag. I love you. Matshepo. Makonde. Yo. Tapelo. My comfort. Ki comfort. Zodwa. Tobo si waitela neo tapelo. Okay, bona. Thank you guys. Until we meet again, 6 o'clock mansibwa. I love you. Number yaka 073 202 9079. 073 202 9079. Must be happy, guys, and that doesn't mean to me that into the when I didn't to the right, still good, still simple. So that you can take away some 073 202 9079. 073 202 9079.